We accept your banana and Sprite challenge.
Hello, welcome to Kiss Crazy. Shake it up a bit.
Okay, so you guys know about this challenge. It's about 5 years old, but someone mentioned it in the comments and we've never done it. And we don't ever throw up. So, challenge accepted. Basically, what you do is you eat a banana, then you drink Sprite. It's so easy, so simple, and we're doing this is to throw up. I don't know if I had the biggest brain fart ever. It took me so long to get those words out of my mouth. Okay, and the reason to do this is to throw up. So, why would people do this? I don't know. Let's go. Let's do this. Jeez, I don't want to do this. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I don't even know how you can eat a banana like this. I can't eat them like this. Like, they have to be cooked.
Here we go. I got some good bananas. I won't go up. So yeah, Sheila has a banana bag to throw up, and I have the old KFC bag. Hurry up!
Why are we doing?
I don't know, cause someone mentioned it in the comment. My nerves are getting
Me too.
wrecked.
We love our supporters, but okay.
Doing this for you. 2 bananas.
Man, I already want to gag on bananas because they're just, yeah.
Slimy yet satisfying.
You haven't even any Sprite yet. I don't know how monkeys can do this.
I don't know. There's chewing. This is the squishiest fruit, and you still have to chew it. I didn't know this banana eating process was going to take this long. I don't feel like I want to throw up.
I guess that's why it's so easy for other people.
I'm so scared. So, that's 2 bananas. Are you on your second one?
Uh-huh.
Hurry up.
No, stop trying to rush me. I hate being rushed.
For how fast you can eat food.
And bananas are the worst thing.
You had a watermelon contest for fun.
There was a prize at the end.
No, there wasn't.
Yeah, there was.
What, a $50 gift card to food?
25.
It's $25 gift card. She's the slowest person. I'm already burping. Right? I did that too. Okay.
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this.
Ah! Okay, we're good, guys. I'm freaking out! Freaking out! Ah! Okay. didn't throw up. I didn't throw up. Proof that we drank it. No.
Were you supposed to drink this much?
Nothing came out. Yeah, there's nothing in here. I can stick my hand in here if I want to. There you go. That proves it. This is low-key disappointing. I got all worked up for nothing.
I don't know. I felt more like puking when I was eating the banana.
Yeah, I felt more like puking when I was eating the banana than when it came with the Sprite. The Sprite like pushed it down. We don't throw up ever. Nothing. Just shit. Lots of it. TMI, maybe.
Don't ask for that video. It's not gonna happen.
Yeah, no, you're not gonna watch me sit on the toilet. Nah. Mama, I can't feel my leg. So we accepted your challenge and nothing happened. We're more disappointed. We wanted to throw up. We wanted to throw up.
I didn't.
Okay.
People my thigh. Okay, like, share, subscribe. Comment if you guys want us to do more challenges that will actually work. But I got good burps out of it. I know y'all like that.